guys, so for the swatches today, I'm using my final lab sample prior to the names being put inside of the shades. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how cool the layout is of this. You could really look at it as like quads going down the palette for some really cool color stories. So I was super excited to make something like this so that you have tons of options for creating different color patterns. The palette is also magnetic. Vitality is magnetic. You can depot them and rearrange them as you would like. It can go in like standard rainbow format. You could relocate them. But please keep in mind that some of these are pressed pigments. So when you relocate them, the names may not match up with the ingredients for pressed pigments. So just putting that out there. Mine is really beat up. I've been playing with this one for a really long time, but I'm super excited for this launch. Vitality will be launching, hold on. Vitality will be launching August 12th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the palette. Isn't it so pretty? Anyways, I can't wait to hear what you guys think down below. I'm sorry that this isn't like a showing my face video. It's just I've been super swamped with packing orders, but I still wanted to give you guys a video showcasing these shades. Also, did not want to ruin a perfectly good palette for just a swatch video, which is why I'm using my lab sample. I'm so excited to see the looks you guys create, and yeah, stay tuned for the swatches. I also wanted to add that for some reason in swatches, this color is not showing up the way that it should. This color actually transitions to like this really beautiful green, but for some reason in my swatches, the camera cannot handle this color or something like that because it is not swatching correctly. But I figured I'd go in here and show you guys some of the, this one might be my favorite right here. I don't have enough fingers for all the shades, but here are some shimmers before we get started, a little teaser.